What's happening? It's your boy TK here, back with another video. Y'all know what time it is. You already know that name. Very legendary. This is something different right here. There is a backstory behind this truck. And of course, again, the name is legendary. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss out. Check it out. All right, everybody. I want to introduce you to Saul.
What's going on,
this is his Ford F-150 Shelby. Hey Saul, what got you into liking Ford F-150, especially Shelby? What got you into it?
So pretty much, it's the Mexican GTR they call it over here. You know, down here at Bloomington, Illinois. Currently, obviously, right now we in Wisconsin. You know, for Road America, but pretty much this is the Mexican GTR. You know, I got the 5-liter Coyote engine with a 2.9 Super Whipple Supercharger. And pretty much, you know, it's a truck game, man. You know, you gotta get something big, impress yourself, and you know, you just don't see these out here in the streets like that. So you know, I wanted to get something unique that you don't see out the streets, man. You know, this was pretty much this is number 18 out of 438. So like I said, again, you don't see these out in the streets, man. And especially this with this nice color gray, the metallic gray with the black stripes and stuff like that. But you know, it's just I wanted to roll something new and that somebody doesn't have, you know. I mean, it just, you know, all depends, you know.
So like you mentioned, this is number 18 out of so many Shelby F-150, but I see it has a, like you say, a 2.9 Whipple Supercharger. So how much power this is making? So
it's advertised as 755. I'm still planning on dyno it, but it should be pushing around like 680 to the wheels. Is what I'm hoping. Yep. So
this is I'll tell you right now, this is a badass truck. Can't wait to go for a ride. Y'all stay tuned. That was a fun experience, and shout out to my guy Saul. Appreciate the ride in this Shelby F-150. This is a bad ride. Again, number 18 out of so many that was made. To remind y'all again, this is what we dealing with. But that's it, everybody. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo. I'm out.